Hello friends, I am Professor Poonam Thete. Today we are going to discuss Frankenstein, Mary Shelley. Mary Shelley was born on August 30, 1797 in London, England. She was a daughter of politically radical literary couple. Her father, William Godwin, was a philosopher and a writer. Her mother, Mary Wollstonecraft Godwin, was well known for her feminist views. Mary never knew her mother as she died a few days after giving birth. Mary Shelley received no formal early education. Instead, she was taught at home by her father. When she was 17, Mary eloped to France with noted poet Percy Bysshe Shelley. Mary and Percy Shelley spent a summer of 1816 in Switzerland and were neighbors to Lord Byron, a famous poet. It was during this time that she began writing Frankenstein. In the summer of 1816, Mary Percy and some other famous authors went to the Swiss Alps. Unseasonable rain kept them trapped inside their lodging, where they entertained themselves by reading ghost stories at the urging of renowned poet Lord Byron, a friend or neighbor. They set their own pens to paper, competing to see who could not write the best ghost story. The young woman, Mary Wollstonecraft Godwin, took the prize, having composed a story creepy enough not only to take its place alongside the old German tales that she and her alpine companions had been reading, but also to become a bestseller in her time and a Gothic classic that still resonates with readers almost 2 centuries later. Shelley's story did not come out of nowhere. Scientists and physicians of her time explored life and death through experiments with lower organisms. Human anatomical studies, attempts to resuscitate drowning victims, and experiments using electricity to restore life to the recently dead. This is in the structure of the story is through three interwoven story. Captain Robert Walton's letter home to his sister bookend the story. The narrator related by Victor Frankenstein to Captain Walton is in between the letters. The creature story is central in the novel. Creature story, this communicates a number of views and values. The religious philosophical idea that man is essentially good. The creature is like Satan, the fallen angel. His passionate responses to nature are typically romantic. Isolation and loneliness are no good spiritually, much like when Frankenstein isolated himself with his science. The image of Frankenstein, why it is a classic thesis, romantic period, Gothic novel, scientific research of the time, the author Mary Shelley. Shelley's purpose, a novel analysis. Influenced by the Romantic period, the scientific inquiry of her time and her own life, Mary Shelley Gothic novel Frankenstein presents a clear message on the irony and danger in the quest of power. Scientific research of the time is the Victorian period and begins to dominate people public discover, and even according to some writers, partially displaces religion as the coherent world view. Scientific dominance is the belief and that when science advances, so does human society. Science and progress, in other words, go hand in hand through most of the Victorian era. Science is not specialized into isolated disciplines that the ordinary well educated citizen cannot follow its movement. The setting of the stage is influenced Shelley to write this novel. The first of all, the romantic period is there, Gothic novel, scientific research, and her own life. Characteristics of a Gothic novel are writing style is filled with innovation, spontaneity, freedom of the thought, and the expression, idealization of nature, etc. A lot of mysterious disappearance as well as other supernatural occurrences. The main protagonist is usually a solitary, egocentric character. Nature is used frequently to create atmosphere of terror. Show the dark side of human nature is the invented in this novel, and this novel is the so called as this novel is a Gothic novel. Okay friends, thank you so much. Please must watch and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.